Civil Service Exam Math Reviewer number 61 and 62. So i-post nyo po muna, try nyo sagutan bago panoodin ang solution ko. Okay, so number 61, a card is drawn from a standard deck. What is the probability of drawing a black king? So ang formula ng probability of an event is equal to number of the given event, over the number of sample space. Ang ibig sabihin lang ng sample space, yung S sample space yon, ibig sabihin nun ay total outcomes. Okay, so ano bang hinahanap natin sa problem natin? A card is drawn from a standard deck. Pag sinabi nating standard deck, 52 lahat yan. So ano yung mga 1 to 10, di ba? Meron tayong sa standard deck, 1 to 10, tapos merong Jack, Queen, King. Yung 1, yung Ace. So tapos, 13 lahat yan. 13 lahat bawat suit, and then meron tayong Diamond, tsaka Hearts. Ito yung Red. Tapos, meron na mga Spade, tsaka Club. Flower yung tawag ng iba dito. So yan, ito naman yung Black. Okay? So tigta 13 yan, kaya ang total sa standard deck meron tayong 52. Yun yung number of sample space, 52. So ang hinahanap, what is the probability of drawing a black king? So probability of a BK na lang, black king, is equal to the number of black king divided by the number of sample space. So ang sample space natin yung total, 52 na nga lahat yan dahil meron tayong tigta 13 bawat suit. Diamond, Hearts, Spade, and Clubs. So 52 ang total. Ngayon, ilan yung Black King? Ang King natin, meron tayong 4, tapos 2 red, 2 black yon. So therefore, ang Black King ay meron tayong 2. Black na Spade, King na Spade, and then King na Club. So therefore, 2 out of 52, wala pa sa choices dahil ilo-lowest term natin. Divide lang natin sa 2 parehas para ma-lowest term natin. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 52 divided by 2 is 26. So therefore, the answer is letter B, 1/26. Okay, so para sa next number 62, burahin muna natin. The ratio of boys to girls is 5:7. If there are 96 students in all, how many are girls? So kapag yung ratio ng boys to girls, una yung boys. So boys yung 5. Okay, so boys to girls, ang total niyan, kung ang ratio ay 5:7, ibig sabihin, yung 5 at 7, nakamultiply yan sa magkaparehas na number. So ilit natin yung number natin na magkaparehas, gawin nating x. So yung 5 nakamultiply yan sa x, tapos yung girls, nakamultiply din yan sa x. So hindi natin alam kung anong number yon. Basta nakamultiply sila parehas. Ang tawag dyan ay constant of variation or constant of proportionality. Okay? So we have the ratio of boys to girls is 5:7. So 5x and 7x yung total nun. If there are 96 students in all. So 96 yung total na students, ibig sabihin i-add natin kasi total. So total ng boys 5x plus total ng girls 7x equals daw sa 96. So ngayon ang tinatanong, how many are girls? Ang hinahanap natin girls ay 7x. So bago natin makuha yung 7x, isolve muna natin yung x. So i-add lang natin ito, 5x plus 7x, that is equal to 12x, is equal to 96. Okay? And then divide both sides by 12. Pag dinivide natin both sides by 12, cancel na yan. Therefore, ang value ng x ay 96 divided by 12. Ilan ito? So, eksakto ata ito sa 8, no? So, 12 times 8. Try natin. 8 times 2, that is 16. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so therefore, 96 divided by 12 ay 8. So, therefore, the value of x is 8. Ang hinahanap natin ay number of girls. Ang girls ay 7x. So, therefore, 7x is equal to 7 times 8. The answer is 56, letter C. Follow for more. Sa mga naghahanap po ng murang civil service exam review, ito po yung offer ko sa inyo. 99 pesos lang po, all-in na po ito. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. Ito po yung mga inclusion niya. 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Online po ito So ang schedule na itong 10 days, ito po. Ayan, math and logic. 7 to 9 p.m. po lahat ito, MWF po ito. So July 6, integers, PEMDAS, GCF, and LCM. July 8, fractions and decimals. July 10, law of exponents and radicals and unit conversion. July 13, number series and number analogy. July 15, basic algebra. July 17, percentage, ratio, and proportion. July 20, word problems. July 22, data interpretation. July 24, logical reasoning. And July 27, abstract reasoning. So, madadaanan po natin lahat ng mga math and logic. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subjects kagaya ng verbal ability, analytical ability, general info. Marami rin tayong mga 150 item na mock test. Then may only replay din po tayo ng past session. Ito pong mga Zoom meetings natin, recorded po yan sa exclusive na FB group natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin dito sa aking FB RJ Enseñado.